To squirrel away means to save for the future. Often we see squirrels in our gardens and they are collecting berries or seeds or nuts for the future, and then they take them back to some place where they store them for the future. And this is what human beings do as well. Sometimes we squirrel away some money so that we can be safe in the future, and we know that if anything happens we will have a store of money. Today I'm in London and a lot of tourists are here, and I assume that they have squirreled away some money for this trip. Behind me, for example, you can see the London Eye, and it costs a lot of money. I'm not sure how much exactly because I've never been up the London Eye, because it's expensive and also because I'm scared of heights. But if I did want to go on the London Eye, I would have to squirrel some money away for that activity. So if you are squirreling something away for the future, then good for you. I'm sure in the future you will be grateful for your foresight. And if it is the London Eye you're squirreling away your money for, then I hope you think it is worthwhile when you finally experience it.